You have a judicial warrant. You have a judicial warrant. And I see the judicial warrant. And I see the warrant. I will let go when you show me the judicial warrant. Where is it? Where is the warrant?
I have my hand here.
You obstructed. You obstructed.
I would like to see the warrant. I will let go. Take it back. Take it back. You don't have authority to arrest U.S. citizens. Sir, you don't have the authority to arrest U.S. citizens. You don't have to. I'm not obstructing. I'm standing right here in the hallway. I asked to see the judicial warrant. By asking for a judicial warrant? You don't have the authority to arrest U.S. citizens asking for a judicial warrant. Stay back. Stay back. No, ma'am. For your own safety. For your own safety.
I can't believe you're arresting me.
Where are you taking him? Hello?
Hi,
Since you have no authority to arrest U.S. citizens, where are you taking me? And with what authority?
I'd be embarrassed too.
Why are you arresting
And with what authority?
him? Where are you taking him?
Step back, guys. Step back, please. Number one is going to go with him, all right? Hang on, please, number one. Hold on.
You don't have to. I'm not obstructing. I'm standing right here in the hallway. I asked to see the judicial warrant.
You're arresting the
By
comptroller.
asking for a judicial warrant? You don't have the authority to arrest U.S. citizens asking for a judicial warrant.
Press, we go too. Sorry. No way. I'm safe. Where are you taking him? Hello?
Hi, I'm the comptroller's press secretary. Where are you taking the comptroller of the city of New York?
And with what authority?
Why are you arresting the city controller? And where are you taking him?
We got a security detail. This number one is going to go with him, all right? Hang on, please, number one. Hold on.
Who's number one?
This is number one right here, all right? Thank you.
What was going on in those courtrooms is absolutely unacceptable. The individuals were being told that their cases were dismissed without understanding what the ramifications were for that judgment. They're said, your case is dismissed. And then they say, oh, well, you don't have status. And they do not explain. In the cases I observed, there was no explanation that meant that person was subject to immediate removal upon going in the hallway. The hallways are full of volunteers, amazing volunteers standing up for people, and of ICE agents and other agents that are not, their affiliations not indicated. They're in full regalia. They have masks, many times pulled up to the bridge of their nose. I feel really rattled and scared. And my husband is a candidate for mayor, is an elected citywide official, is a U.S. citizen, has a U.S. passport, and I know in all likelihood he's gonna be okay. And all of the other folks in that building are risking having their families torn apart with inadequate explanation, and it's an abomination, and it is not what we stand for in this country. It is not right. This is a place where the rule of law is supposed to work. I know that when Brad went into the elevator, one member of his security detail from the NYPD was with him. I know that he is being held in the building. I'm not sure on which floor, and we have been told that he is well, and I don't know when he is expected to come out.
Thank you, everyone. I have Merrick Barnett, Brad Lander's son.
First, that's a crime to have him in there. They are breaking the law. That is against the fucking rules. Free him right now. This is fascism in our city. I really just have to say, I am so proud to be his child today and every day. Thank you.
This president is violating the Constitution that he swore to uphold and protect. This is disgusting. No one should be subjected to this inhumane treatment. Fathers torn away from their children. mothers torn away from their babies. This is not law. This is lawlessness. Donald Trump, New York City will never bow to you. We will never hang our heads to you. You will never be our king. We will always stand up as a sanctuary city. You will never take that away from us. Not this city, not ever.
Today, they took Brad temporarily. They will release him, and then I call for Congress, the Democrats, to have a federal investigation about what the hell is going on in this place. This has got to stop.
I'm here today because there is a clear message that every New Yorker needs to know, and that is this is not normal. When we see the National Guard set on peaceful protesters, when we see senators in other states arrested, when we see people taken by ICE without due process, and we see our comptroller arrested right here in the building behind us, that is not normal. What is happening here is an affront to our democracy, and it threatens each one of us.
New York City, we are a city of immigrants. We will remain a sanctuary city. We will ban ICE. We're going to stand together because we are better as one. And so we come here to remind people, immigrants get the job done every single day, and we are here until Brad is out, but we're here till they're all out, because we will not be silent. We will not tolerate this. It is unconstitutional. It is wrong. It is racist. It's discriminatory, and we will not stand by on Trump's agenda.
No kings, no ICE, no kings, no ICE.